Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you have been watching my YouTube stories lately, you would have seen this story that I have posted a couple days ago. Hey everyone, so I have a new video coming soon. Hopefully I get to edit it this weekend and post it. And it's going to be a new Cricut tutorial on how you can make these cute little stickers. Let's see. So in that video, I'll be showing you how to make these stickers. Basically, see how there's white around the image? So that's what I'm gonna be showing. Real quick, if I were to upload the images without the little white outline that I did, as you could see, you'll cut them out as the image is. But the thing is that as you could see, their little tiny tails and the little lines. I didn't want that in my stickers because that's gonna take forever to cut out. And plus, once the sticker is made, most likely those little tails, those little details will rip off, and I didn't want that. So the things you will need are the Paint S app. I have Mac, so that's what I use. Cricut Design. Cricut, it doesn't matter, Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker, they all work. A regular printer. I have this exact one that you see in the pictures, and sticker paper. The sticker paper that I use is this one, and I did link it in the description below. But these are like adhesive shipping labels. So as you could see, the paper is like a regular printer paper, 11 inches by 8.5, but in the middle it has like a cut, so it makes it into two different labels. And I liked it for my stickers. But yeah, you could find all kinds of sticker papers where you could find glossy ones, and then you could find where it's a full sheet, different sizes. But be careful when buying glossy, because most of the glossy ones, they don't work with regular inkjet printers. I'm going to open the Paint S app and click create new, and I'm going to have the width 8.5 and height 11. That's like a regular size printer paper. I'm going to click the fill button on top left corner and fill the background with white, and then I'm going to drag my little images. I have the link to these images in the description below. Now on Paint S, to resize the image evenly, when you put your mouse in the corner of that little dot, hold down the shift and then make it smaller, because if you don't do that, then it will be distorted. Once I'm done filling in like my main stickers that I like to be pretty big, I'm just gonna now fill it in with little fillers, so basically like little things, so I don't have any leftover spots. This is gonna be like one big sheet of stickers. Okay, once I'm done with that, I will zoom in. Now I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to click on this. It's called rectangular selection, and I'm going to click on it. And once I do that, to the left right here, it says rectangular selection. I'm going to click on that and select the, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but lasso selection. Okay, this part might be a little tricky, but once you get a hang of it, it's super fast and easy. So basically, you press down on your mouse, and then as you hold it, you move the mouse around the shape of the image, as you can see what I'm doing here. And don't let go of the click. And once you meet the beginning with the end, that's when you let it go. And then you copy that selection and paste it. Once you paste it, just move it back to where the other image was. And then you go to the left, and there's a little eye next to that new image that you just pasted. Well, click on it to hide the image. So you do have to do that with all the images. And once that's done, and be sure to hide all the new pasted images. But once that's done, just select the previous images, not the pasted one, the previous ones, and delete them. And delete the fill, and then uncover all your other images that you just pasted. Then save this file as a PNG file, so the background will be clear. See how the background has little squares? That means the background is transparent, and that's what you want. But you can see that now my little animals, they have a little white outline. Now I will open my Cricut Design, and I will upload this PNG file that I just saved by dragging it to the upload and clicking complex and continue. And I don't have to do anything, just click continue, and it saves it how it's supposed to save. And I just click save and insert image. I will not change it to a cut setting. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Then I'm gonna insert a square, and it's gonna be the size of 6.75 by 9.25. The reason for that, because that's the biggest size that your image can be printed as. So it's kind of like my template. Then I'm just gonna insert a square line, and I will select both of the rectangle shape and the square line, and I will align it in the center. Again, this is like my template, so I can see like how much I need to resize the image. So I'm just gonna resize it, and I'm gonna duplicate it. So now I have 2 sets of stickers. I'm going to delete the rectangle and the line. Then I'm gonna select both of the 2 files, and I'm going to click flatten it to the bottom right corner. Once I flatten it, click make it, continue, send to printer, and I'm just gonna turn off the bleed because the edges are gonna be white, so I don't need it to bleed. And once it prints, I'm gonna set the materials for this exact sticker paper that I use. The link is down in the description below. So the setting I placed it under is sticker paper, removable, and then I clicked on the selection, and instead of default, I changed it to more.